Good day. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. I'm TMac. I help pilots like you start and continue their journey to better FPV fun through videos like this one and the rookie-friendly FatStraps FPV course, which will get you in the air having fun flying FPV in minimal time, at less overall cost, and in a safe and responsible manner. It's through the FatStraps FPV course since the summer of 2019 I've been able to provide more detailed instruction and on a more personal and individualized basis. You're welcome to check out the course curriculum and student reviews through the FatStraps FPV course link in the video description below. In this previous video, I upgraded my FPV goggles with the Immersion RC rapid-fire module using the inexpensive Skyzone module adapter. Today, I'm going to introduce you to another fun FPV goggles upgrade that's something a little bit different. You see, I'm going to do an FPV goggle strap review. A goggle strap review? No, not just a goggle strap review, but the FatStraps goggle strap. Ready to strap one on? Then give this video a thumbs up below, share it with your pilot buddies to spread the fun, and subscribe to your TMac FPV channel, your home for your journey to better FPV fun, flights, and racing stuff. This is my old standard goggle strap for my Aomway Commander goggle. It's 1 inch wide and has this awkward overhead strap with a battery holder in the back. It's made out of this thin elastic material, which you can see is already getting frayed. Another issue with this strap is it would slip down the back of my head toward my neck if I didn't originally place it up high enough to begin with on my head. And this is one of the 2 FatStraps FPV goggle straps I ordered. First, I'll go over its design and features, and then I'll quickly show you how I install it on my Aomway Commanders. To begin with, it's pretty obvious to see that it's wider than your normal goggle strap. You might even say it's fatter. It's 2 inches instead of 1 of the normal goggle strap, which lessens the pressure on your head, making them extremely comfortable. In fact, for me, it feels like they're not even on my head. The extra wide strap also keeps the goggles stable and secure in one position, so they're not going to slip down your head towards your neck. These FatStraps fit on Fatshark goggles, Skyzones, Aomways, and FatStraps even has a design that fits the DJI goggles. The quality of this material is impressive, especially compared with the standard goggle straps. In fact, these FatStraps come in both the customizable military-grade molle elastic or one of the cool designs on the pre-printed material. And I don't see this material breaking down anytime soon. Check this out. They even have a pocket for your battery as opposed to just a loop like on most other goggle straps. The pocket prevents the battery from falling out. On other straps, you might need to use an additional battery strap wrapped around the goggle strap just to keep the battery in place. Not with these FatStraps. Oh yeah, I haven't even mentioned how cool they look. The molle elastic version is customizable with your own logo. Just reach out to FatStraps to see what they can do for you. In fact, Steve over at FatStraps even thought enough to ask me for my head measurement to ensure that the placement of my customized TMac FPV logo would be visible and not covered up by the strap buckle. Now I'd say that's some outstanding service, and they shipped the day after I ordered them. Now if you don't want to customize your own, the ones FatStraps have in stock are amazing too. You can check them out at FatStrapsFPV.com. The FatStraps Facebook page, or FatStraps FPV Goggle Straps are also sold at Race Day Quads. Check out all the varieties they have. And Get FPV. If you have any questions, just message Steve through the FatStraps Facebook site or the FatStraps FPV contact form, and I found he responds very quickly. Now let's briefly look at how I put the strap on the Aomway Commanders, which is actually more difficult than on the other FPV goggles previously mentioned. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is take this foam off. Take this screw out and lift this up. There it goes. Now we can take this faceplate off, which we need to take off so that we can separate the top and bottom piece of the goggles and remove this pin. So we need to lift up here. See these holes right here? Actually, they're clips. They clip on here and here. But now what I can do is separate this a little And as I separate it, I can pull this pin out like that, and then slide this off like that. And then I want to get my new strap from FatStraps, cool sticker, and we want to take this end of the strap and slide that on in here like so. And then we're just going to separate the top and bottom part of the goggles again and slide the pin in like that. And then we're going to reinsert the screw that goes in here. And then we're going to do the same thing with this side. Now separate them, slide the pin out like that. And then I can slide the old strap off the pin. And we're going to put this end of the new strap over the pin. Like so. Stick the pin back in there. Then put that screw back in. Okay, now we need to put this faceplate back on. See if it snaps on. So now we can put the screw back in here. And then we can put the new pad on. We're all set. Check out how the battery fits in there. Fits nicely in there. And it's got this little pocket here underneath, so the battery won't fall out. Good stuff. Thank you, FatStraps. Strap one on. So that's the FatStraps FPV Goggle Strap. Fun, customizable, inexpensive, and comes with outstanding service from the Sunshine State of Florida. No more worries about your goggles slipping around on your head, or if your goggle battery is going to come loose in flight. It's time to strap one on. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified every time I publish a new one. For more good info to speed you along your journey to better FPV fun, make sure to check these out next. Thanks for your time. I'll see you next video. Clear skies, friend.